Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we have another park updates video. And as you can see, El Diablo is completely gone. As you can see, El Diablo is completely gone. And that is exciting because now more work is going to be able to start. But it is definitely weird seeing El Diablo not be here. Now we're going to go down to the ground in a little bit and see it from down there. Walking up this area already looks so much more open than it ever has looked. It is definitely weird without El Diablo over here. But this is definitely crazy to see without El Diablo. This whole area just looks so much more open now. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and bye.